How to find the best Zoom discount promo codes. Want to save money on Zoom subscriptions? Promo codes can cut costs by up to 30%, and here's how to find and use them. Active deals include 30% off subscriptions, 20% off workplace tools, and 15% off monthly plans. New users can also get first order discounts, so you can find verified codes on Zoom's official website, coupon sites like Coupon Follow, and community tested platforms such as Simply Codes. So at the checkout, go ahead and enter the promo code in the discount box. Codes apply best to pro, business, or workplace subscriptions, and first order deals give the biggest savings. And that is how you can basically find the best Zoom discount promo codes.